Hey guys, welcome back for another episode of Ramblin Reflections. This week we're going to the Ultimate RV show held at the Myrtle Beach Convention Center. So grab a snack and something to drink and come along with us.
Free bags. You know it's all about free bags. You can never have too many bags. There's no grand designs here.
New 2024 Coleman Rubicon 1400 V8. Air conditioner. Solar fireplace heater.
I can't believe they got a fireplace in this thing.
Windows go up and down. Vent the roof. Doors on this side. And there's rows in the outside door. Solar prep. Let's see what Montana has to offer here at the Ultimate RV Show.
Something silly.
What's that?
It just strikes me. It's just like the thought in it. It's curved.
Right.
Instead of a straight head. I mean, it shows that somebody thought through it. They had a
The ergonomics of
yes.
it, yeah.
They had a designer do this. I'll tell you a downside though. When this slide comes in, compared to ours,
You're not getting into the
the
refrigerator.
refrigerator's blocked. With ours, you can walk in and still get the right door of the refrigerator to
Right.
open when you're parked. You know, like rest stop or gas station.
Here's her sink. Nice closet. Get a 40-pound tank in here. I don't care for this cable slide system. I can pinion slide on the main.
I need you to use your handyman skills and make this table.
All right.
Look, okay, look from underneath. hydraulic. Table hinges out. Tracks slide out on both sides. Yeah. And then we have our extended table. See, you can do that so easy.
Why couldn't you do that with the whole drawer
You
come
could,
out?
as long as the drawer is better supported. This is supporting itself.
Right.
I don't know how the drawer works. It might. Because I've talked about that, just getting a piece to lay in on it. If that's all we need, then we'll be able to have something else.
Right.
Look at the shade beside you. It's 2 levels. You've got a light see-through, and you've got a blackout right above it.
Other day, blacked out.
Or just like, you know how I always talk about just having like a light shade that I could still get some light in, not be totally blacked out.
Yeah.
It's such a simple thing to make it more homey and less campery. It's a pull-out drawer.
Yeah, that's nice.
Wow, way to add counter space. How many videos you could put together? So that's the cap. They're just taking advantage of the space. Huh. I like the way they've done the shelves. It's interesting actually. They've done the shelves on the bottom instead of the top.
I don't care if you have a television in your room or not.
Flat. I mean, why not just make it a flat?
Yeah.
Because you're not taking advantage of anything.
It's just to hide the wires and stuff, I guess.
But I agree. Have we ever used it?
3 times. Yeah, this is a Class C. This thing is something else.
Would it have like 3 bedrooms?
Nice bedroom back here. I have to say, this is probably, just from what I've seen so far, my favorite one we've been into today. Let's go check out this high country. What do we got here? 331 RL. This is going to be like ours. This guy, his and her sink. Linen closet.
They've all gone to the separate.
Do you really?
Yeah, because I just don't want to put the washer dryer in with my clothes. If they're
Right.
not gonna leak, it just needs to be in a separate space.
Nice space for you, area. Do what?
It's tight in here.
Yeah.
There's something about it.
Just a completely different floor plan.
It does seem more open right